Okay, this is the attachment, the bidet attachment for the toilet. So this is the bidet, this is the knob right here, and this is the adapter. We're gonna be using this later once we start installing. And this is the Teflon tape. We can use it in here, wrap it up, and this is the flexible pipe that we're gonna use as well. And this one, this we'll use it later over here, and this one will go in here later. Okay, so let's start installing it. It's very easy. Okay, first we are going to empty the tank, so make sure there's no water in there. So to empty it, we have to shut this one off first. Let's shut off the water here, and then flush. So you're gonna make sure that there's no water in the tank. Yeah, make sure it's empty. Okay, so now the water, it's empty. So that right there, it's shut. So make sure you put the toilet down just in case the water will drip. And now we're going to take this off. And we'll just have to unscrew. You just unscrew this one here. So we're gonna take off the toilet. It's here. Okay, now it's off. Okay, some adapters are very different. This one won't fit in here. So instead of taking that off, leave that, and we'll take the bottom one here off as well. So this is the tank, and there's like the bottom. So we'll take this one off, and then we'll put the adapter in here instead, because it won't fit in the back there. So let's do this one here instead. Okay, so you see now it's off. So this is the bottom one, so we'll put this one instead, and make sure this one is facing in the front here, not at the back. Okay, when you put this in, make sure to put the washer, because it's very important that the washer is in there. So now we'll put that in here. I'll just have to twist. Yeah, just tighten it a bit. There you go. Okay, now let's put this on. Okay, now it's in. So let's get our adjustable pipe. Okay, let's put the pipe in here. Just twist. Okay, so here, now they're attached. So this is the tank, water from the tank. And this one right here, we're going to attach this for the bidet. So that's the thing right there. That one is still shut, so don't turn it on yet. Okay, now it should be tight enough. Okay, so this is the bidet, the attachment. Now we're going to put this in here. Just a minute, we just have to twist. Twist. It should be in now, hey? Okay, here you go. Okay, so here, let's put the white stuff. Okay, that's one. The other one. Oops. Should move it a bit. You're almost there. Okay, let's Put it down there. So let's put this in. Okay, now we're gonna try to put our seed. Now we got to tighten it. Red. Okay, we're gonna use this to just gonna lock that one. Can you press the red button, please? Just have to tighten it. Gonna turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Okay. Can you turn it up, please? Okay, now that it's tightened, so we'll see. So it's just sitting nice here. Okay, now, so there you go. It's in there. This one's here. Okay, now we're gonna start turning the water on to see if there's any leak. Oh boy. If there's any leak in here, we'll just have to make sure that it's tight enough, or put a Teflon tape. This is tight enough, and this one here, so that way you cannot see any water leaking. So right now it's all good. Okay, so you always have to double check on the adapter, make sure there's no leak, make sure the water is not leaking. So I tighten it, and right now it's not leaking and it's working good. Okay, so let's try our bidet attachment. Okay, so this part here, this is the rear, it's the behind, and this is the female. So we're gonna try this one first, see if it's gonna work. We'll just have to make sure we have a towel in here because it's going to squirt water. Okay, ready? Oh. Okay, well that one works, so let's try the female part here. This is for the female, so we're gonna turn it on. Gonna squirt. There you go.
Come here, my boy.
So yeah, that's how easy it is to install a bidet attachment in your toilet.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.